Every day, an estimated 50,000 people face the Grim Reaper due to poverty-related reasons. Many of these tragedies stem not just from a lack of money, but from a lack of financial literacy. But what if I told you that the path to financial independence isn't as cryptic as it seems? This isn't just another finance talk. It's your roadmap to a richer life. So if you're watching this video, you've struck gold. We'll be unveiling 5 game-changing secrets to financial success. Stick around. When we talk about financial freedom, it's easy to imagine lounging in a hammock on a beach with an unending stream of piña coladas. But in reality, it's less about being absurdly rich and more about having mastery over your personal finances. At its core, financial independence is having control both of your present financial situation and your future. Think of it like a staircase to financial success. Each step you take brings you closer to the clouds of financial independence. There are 8 crucial steps in this ascent, or let's say levels. The first level is where you're not constantly checking if the ATM withdrawal will bounce. It's when you have a cushion, an emergency fund for unexpected expenditures. So when life throws curveballs, instead of panicking, you're ready to hit a home run. Level 2, on the other hand, is the oasis in the desert. You've saved enough to take a breather from your job. Maybe it's a sabbatical or an extended trip around Europe. You decide when to return, not your bank balance. Then comes level 3. Here, you've cracked the code of financial success. You earn well doing what you love, and guess what? You still have enough to save. Level 4, that's the dream. You've successfully exited the 9-to-5 grind. Your finances let you chase after what you love, be it painting or playing the guitar, without the constant worry of bills. By level 5, you're in the Retire Early Club. It's all about fine-tuning. Maybe you opt for a smaller house or dine out less, but in return, you get to retire at, say, 40. Level 6 sees you retiring in style. You have assets, perhaps a few properties, maybe some passive income sources. Your golden years are actually golden. At level 7, you're not just retiring, you're ticking off bucket list items. Month-long cruises, wine tours in Tuscany, or maybe learning to salsa dance in Cuba. Lastly, level 8. It's the summit. Your finances are not just set for life, but also for lives that follow. Your legacy is secure. Interestingly, even folks with hefty paychecks can find themselves stuck at level 1, earning a lot but spending even more. This is why you shouldn't be focused on how to get rich, but how to achieve financial freedom. On the other end of the spectrum is level 4, where you're liberated from the daily grind, free to indulge in passions without fretting about the next paycheck. Now, before diving into those juicy secrets of financial freedom, take a moment to reflect. Where do you see yourself on this journey? And hey, if you're finding gems of wisdom in this narrative, we'd be thrilled if you gave that subscribe button some love. Now let's talk about the secrets to financial freedom. Number 1, automate your savings. If there's a golden rule in the world of finance, it might just be this: pay yourself first. It sounds a bit selfish when you hear it, but it's a cornerstone of solid money management. Before you splurge on that new pair of shoes or even pay off that utility bill, set aside a portion of your income for yourself. Now, how do you make this magic happen? It's simple: automation. If your workplace offers a retirement plan, hop on that train immediately, especially if there are matching contributions. I mean, who'd say no to free money? Set it up so that a portion of your salary goes directly into this account, even before it hits your main bank account. Doing so harnesses the out of sight, out of mind principle, making saving painless and almost forgettable. The next step is to set up another automatic transfer, this time from your main account to a separate savings account, ideally on payday. This ensures you're always prepared for emergencies. Here's a warning though: While tax-advantaged retirement accounts are financial gold, their rules can make it tough to access funds quickly. So don't treat your retirement stash as your only emergency buffer. Now let's address the elephant in the room: investing. Number 2, learn the basics of investing. Sure, the markets can be daunting, making even seasoned investors jittery. But history's playbook shows us one thing. Over time, there's truly no better way to let your money work for you than investing. The returns of compound interest are real, but you need to give it time to accumulate. That said, don't get starry-eyed trying to mimic investment legends like Warren Buffett. For most of us, delving into the world of stocks and shares without professional know-how can be like sailing uncharted waters. Instead, opt for online brokerage platforms tailored for beginners. These platforms ease you into the investment realm, allowing you to cultivate a balanced portfolio and contribute regularly without breaking a sweat. Remember, the journey to financial freedom isn't about striking gold overnight. It's about setting up systems that, over time, turn your money from a mere resource into a hard-working ally. And, spoiler alert, the next significant boulder you'll encounter: emergencies and those tantalizing big purchases. Number 3, save for emergencies. Imagine cruising down the highway of financial independence only to be abruptly stopped by an unexpected car repair. Now, this could either be a minor hiccup or a major disaster, depending on your financial readiness and money management skills. This is why you need to have emergency funds. Think of it as your financial safety net, designed to catch you when those unforeseen challenges arise. Want that decadent latte or that impulse shopping spree? You can go for it guilt-free if you step up your money management game. If you're wondering how to set up an emergency fund, you can start off by setting aside an initial $1,000 for emergencies. Then work on kicking debt to the curb. With debts out of the picture and a plan for big expenses, you'll solidify your financial foundation. If this roadmap has given you some clear direction so far, don't be shy. Hit that subscribe button. Let's pave the way to financial success together. Number 4, budgets aren't scary. Budgeting isn't just about tracking dollars and cents. It's about aligning your financial behaviors with your dreams and values. Think of it as giving every dollar a job, ensuring that your money is working for you, not the other way around. Picture your budget as a friendly roadmap leading you to financial freedom, not a chain holding you back. Embrace it, tweak it, and watch your dreams turn into realities. We have a little trick that can help your budgeting. Number 5, the 50-30-20 rule. I know, you hate math, but trust me, this one's pretty simple. If you're just getting started with budgeting, you can use the 50-30-20 rule from Senator Elizabeth Warren. It's simple math time. Spend 50% of your income on needs, 30% on wants, and save or invest the remaining 20%. It's a basic rule, but it's a game changer. Now, to harness the true power of this budgeting cheat code, there's a golden mantra that you need to embrace. Number 6, live below your means. Relax, you can still enjoy life's pleasures. It's only about strategic moderation and discipline. By occasionally sidestepping that immediate gratification, you're setting yourself up for long-term satisfaction. Ever heard the phrase, "It's not about having it all, but wanting what you have"? That's the spirit here. Financial freedom isn't just about the balance in your bank account. It's about feeling content with your choices, knowing they're paving the way to a more secure financial future. Number 7, be debt smart. Budgeting isn't 100% pain. It has some benefits too. One of the thrilling side effects of a well-oiled budget is that it feels like you've just given yourself a raise. It might be difficult at first, but eventually you'll start finding extra cash you never knew you had. And what's the best thing to do with that newfound wealth? Crush your debt. Not all debt is created equal. While student loans or mortgages might seem as good debt, credit card debt? Not so much. No need to rush. You can start small. Knock out the little ones, and then with each victory, roll that momentum onto bigger debts. Focus on paying down high-interest debt first. Your future self will thank you. Now to the next secret to financial freedom. Number 8. Get a side hustle. If you're wondering how to get rich, or better still, how to achieve financial freedom, earning your paycheck is just one part of the puzzle. Getting multiple passive income sources is another. From real estate investments to dividend-yielding stocks, or even creating a digital product, there are myriad avenues to explore. Just try to find avenues that resonate with your interests and strengths. Invest time or capital initially, and then watch as the passive returns start flowing in. Remember, while the upfront cost can be intensive, the long-term rewards are well worth it. Number 9. Get financial education. Staying updated in the financial world isn't just about catching the latest buzz or having fancy statistical jargon up your sleeve. It's about arming yourself with knowledge that can shield you from pitfalls. There's a murky world out there with fraudsters hunting for unsuspecting prey. They're crafty, banking on your lack of knowledge to make their shady gains. Being well-informed not only makes you a savvy investor, but also builds a fortress against such tricksters. Regularly review changes in tax laws to ensure you're not leaving money on the table and are maximizing adjustments and deductions. Number 10. Be patient. Patience, my friend. As much as we'd love a get-rich-quick scheme to work, who wouldn't? Financial literacy is not a one-time course. Markets evolve, economies shift, and new opportunities emerge. Staying educated ensures you're always in the driver's seat, ready to steer your financial ship with precision. The path to financial freedom is strewn with choices, opportunities, and challenges. But with every step, with every informed decision, you're sculpting your unique narrative of financial success. Which of these finance secrets did you find the most helpful? Let us know in the comments section. If you're hungry for more insights and keen to keep this journey alive, hit that subscribe button to join our tribe, and let's ace this financial game together, one enlightening insight at a time.